Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about USDX, US dollar index, and how it affects on our trading in different pairs. So let's get started. I'm going to show you step by step how I'm tracking and from when. Okay, so this is look, this is a USDX dollar index, US dollar index weekly chart I made on the 4th of January this year, 2017. And it is, let me stop this alarm here. My Magic IV alarm beeping. Okay, so this was the chart and the route that I'm showing that it's going to drop here to this white band, then bounce back to this high here, and then start, dropping again until this far or somewhere here. So now let's see what happened to my prediction. And this is not easy, it's like from here to here. You can see this is July 3rd, right? So from here, July till January, this is almost 6 months. So if you consider the same distance, you're talking about maybe 6 months down the road, 6, 8 months or a year prediction. Okay. So what happened to this chart? We're going to take it look step by step. So first step, by February 8th, we came down. First leg finish. We came down exactly where I said it's going to come down to these two big lines, big numbers, 0229 and 0219. We poke into that band and then start going up again to where? Exactly where I said it will go, 0698. So we bounced from there and we went up there, until March. Then we're supposed to put, so this leg and this leg is finished. Now we're supposed to drop from there. So what really happened to that? Start dropping, right? And then 187, I think. Okay, and then you can see continue dropping, right? And this is the one, 153. Yeah, so this is, see, as of today, 12th June. So, 6 months from here, January to June. Like I said, July 2016 to January 2017. This is the distance we cover. And we are coming down here very nicely. It's like wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 is underway. And this, as of today, we are coming down. So, but what benefit this index give it to us, or what we have, any benefit out of it, watching this index? So, understand this, that USDX dropping is equal to weakness, and if it is going up, US dollar index, if it is going up, then USD is getting strong. Okay, so if US dollar index dropping, then USD is getting weaker, means wherever the USD is on the right hand side, those pair will go up, and wherever the USD on the left hand side, those pair will go down. So literally, if you catch the direction in any other index, not only USDX, I watch USDX, pound, euro, Aussie, and yen. All these indexes I follow, because these currencies have several pairs. So if you can catch the direction, the right direction, basically you have 7 or 8 pairs to trade in your hand, and you can literally pick and choose. For example, yen, you have almost 8 or 9 pairs in yen, right? And if yen is getting strong, all of those pairs will be dropping, because yen is always on the right hand side. Okay, USD, you have half of the pair. For example, Euro USD, USD is on the right hand side. Pound USD, Aussie USD, there, right? And the USD is on the right hand side. But USD yen, USD franc, USD CAD, USD is on the left hand side. So in this scenario, I'm not gonna give you all of it, but just one. Let's say Euro USD. What will happen to Euro USD? So around January, I start tracking this chart right from here. So let me show you something here that the same time I made this chart of Euro USD January 9, that it is sitting on the support and is going to go from here to here, okay? Because USD will be dropping. USD will get weaker, Euro USD will go up. So what happened to this chart? So far, we are here as of today. So you see, this is what happens. And all of those pairs will move because of USD is moving in a certain direction. For example, if Euro USD went up, what happened to Pound USD? Even though Pound was getting weaker as well. But let's go take a look. Okay, let's take a look at this one. USD is on the left-hand side, the USD franc. This is January, right? 2017. It's supposed to drop, and it did. Similarly, if you look at the, for example, USD yen, right? USD is on the left-hand side. So USD yen daily chart, if I have marked it already. Let's see. I have 4 or 5 broker open, plus the Skype, so my computer is kind of a little slow. Okay, here. See, USD yen, January here, and it dropped. But Pound USD and Aussie USD is on the right hand side, so they're supposed to go up from January. Well, let's see. But let's go take a look. Pound USD, where it is here. From January, did it go up? Because USD start getting weaker from January. This is January. Okay. I mean, yeah, it's the beginning of the January, right? And it went up, him down, went up. We just now coming down because of this election thing, whatever. Pound weakness, a lot of weakness, right? So this is what happened to Pound USD. Overall, it went up, right? What happened to Aussie USD? Supposed to go up as well from January. So you see, very consistently, you have several options, several pairs, and then you can choose what, for example, USD was getting weaker, but all of a sudden Pound started getting weaker. So Pound is not going up very fast, but some other currency will go at the same time. Aussie USD, where is it's a daily chart, right? Yeah, okay, here. This is January here. You see that? January 1st, and look what happened. It came down because of the weakness of Aussie as well, but overall it went up because of the USD. Okay, so this is the benefit of the USD index, that if you can track and if you can find the direction that where it is going, it helps you, trade several pairs with confidence. And also, let me show you the entries, the trade that I did in Euro USD only. I'm not going to show all of them. For example, if I think this is the chart. Okay, starting from here is 154. Okay, look, this is in March. This is the pair that I don't trade much, by the way. Okay, my favorite pairs, if you go on my website, you will see a lot of trades: Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and Pound Yen. Why? Because those pairs move really big, 200 plus pip a day, where it's very easy to catch 100 pip, 150 pip a day. Very, very easy. And that's why. But still, Euro USD, I can show you a lot of trades here. This is the one, and this 158. You see, it's in March again. This is the buy. This is a sell. This is a buy. But overall, is a buy. Okay, if it's gone too far and I know that there's a resistance, it's going to drop for a retracement, sometimes I go sell. But overall, I know that it's going and making higher high, because see, this is not, it didn't make the lower low. So I'm constantly making higher high. And by the way, this is the Magic IB system that I have. It gives very, very precise entries, especially at those levels which I have. You see, 0608, exactly at that level, blue candle starts, make a buy, order, and then gone with the wind. 158, and what happened to that next chart? You see this in March 21st. This is the entry that you just saw. It went up, then retracement, again buy, gone up, right? This was a buy too, and this was a buy too. 58 and 161 USD buy. The same I just showed you. Just keep going to the upside. Here again, March. 20th April. Nice trade. And this is March. This is the April. This is 169. Let's continue to the upside again. And this is Euro USD again, May 19th. See, all of these are buy. This is Euro USD again. This is the same chart probably. And again, see, this was an entry, and again, this was an entry. Okay. This is only Euro USD. And similarly, you have so many entries everywhere in all those USD pairs. Okay. And also, let me see if I have here. For example, let's say a USD yen. What happened to USD yen? Supposed to drop, and it was dropping. And this is also a pair that I don't trade much, but still you can see how nicely these entries are. Perfect by the book entries, and the trades you can see on the here my entries. Okay, and this is I have it in April, and this is in May. A lot of them. This is also, and few of I'm just showing few of them because I don't want to make big videos. And this is just in February. Oh, this is in February. Yeah, this is an old one. But anyway, so these are the trades, and then you saw this how my Magic Ivy system is working here. This is what it is. It is a very precise entry system based on my analysis. You can take very precise and accurate entries. So anyway, so this is what I was showing, that only USDX can give you so many. Similarly, yen pairs goes by yen. For example, if yen is getting weaker, if yen index is getting weaker, then the yen is always on the right hand side. So all those yen pairs will be going up: pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, Aussie yen, based on the right, left hand side currency as well. So that's why I always cross check the indexes, which one is the weakest and which one is the strongest. And for example, Aussie, if Aussie is getting strong and yen is getting weaker, then Aussie yen will fly. So you simply go and take entries using this system from a 40-minute chart or 20-minute chart in Aussie USD. Aussie yen, and it's very easy. Similarly, if we know that USD was getting weaker, and at that time yen was kind of getting strong, so USD yen would be going down. So all we have to do is just go and take these, short entries like this one, just keep doing the short one. Even the long one, you see this couple of them. I have a long one because the retracement after the drop, it always retraces. By the way, this was my chart that we're going to be dropping from here to here. So we did, and from there, this is these are my analysis on a weekly and monthly basis, and also I provide these charts as well to my subscriber to be able to trade all of those things. See, all of this just keep coming down. So this is what it is. Like I said, this USDX so far we are here, and where it go? And it is keep dropping and going to where I said it will go. Since January, I'm tracking this thing, and it is very nice and clean. It's coming down. And this is, by the way, this is my current chart I made. Not supposed to show up here, but it did anyway. So it's this is my track. It's gonna come down all the way. It's a long way to go. If we go here, if we drop, and if the wave third is finished, then we might go for wave 4, and that's in the future. I just make these charts just to have, according to the harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, all of those these charts ahead of time. But I keep it to myself. I just open it up here. So you're seeing it. Otherwise, I was not planning to show this one. But anyway, so right now we're coming. The target is this. And then once we get there, we will go for wave 4, and then once we get there, we will drop for wave 5, so on and so forth. That's a long story. But so far it is coming down here. So this is how I predict. This is how I use my Magic IV system to make precise entries. So if you're interested, go on my website, join us, and start trading the way we're doing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.